Here at Roxell Richards Law Firm, we currently handle medical malpractice cases, car accidents, slip and falls, and premise liability cases. My name is Kiana, and here at Roxell Richards Law Firm, I am the demand writer. A demand writer is responsible for packaging all the materials regarding the client's case, whether it be a police report, medical records, lost wages information, out-of-pocket expenses. And due to that, especially regarding the medical records, that sometimes require redactions. I chose CaseGuard because of the OCR feature, the find and redact feature, as well as the template feature. So these three combined have allowed me to cut my processing time for redactions at least in half. So what I love about the OCR feature is that it turns the handwritten documents into machine readable files, which then in turn allows me to use the find and redact tool as well as automatically redact any PIR information. Before CaseGuard, I was spending about 2 to 3 hours on redactions alone, depending on the case file. I would have to put all the information in, and sometimes I would be hundreds of pages in and have to restart. Do you know how frustrating that is? And then on top of that, CaseGuard also has its auto-saving feature. Adobe doesn't have that. If something gets messed up or like I need to shut my computer down for any reason, CaseGuard automatically saves my documents every 5 minutes. For one particular client, there were 800 pages of medical records. And in my redaction process, I unfortunately had to start over multiple times due to Adobe not saving my document properly or glitches in the system causing the document to not be saved properly. So that in turn took away from me being able to complete my tasks for the day as well as complete more demands. Honestly, I really just love the fact that I don't have to continuously do the same process over and over, because that was the frustrations that I was having with Adobe. So because of CaseGuard, I have now been able to work on and push out more demands in a single week than I had ever been able to before. I would 100% recommend CaseGuard to other law firms. Honestly, I want to say this is probably one of the best things that our managing attorney has implemented, so I love it.